By the end of this video, you will know how to set up meeting scheduling in HubSpot. Start by opening the Meetings tool in HubSpot. From the main navigation, go to Sales, then select Meetings. Once you are on the Meetings page, move to the top right corner and click Create Scheduling Page. This opens the setup flow where you can build the meeting page you want to share with contacts. Next, choose the scheduling page type that fits the way you want meetings to be booked. HubSpot gives you options such as one-on-one, group, and round robin. One-on-one is for direct booking with a single organizer. Group is for meetings that include multiple team members at the same time. Round robin is used when bookings should be distributed across a team. Select the option that matches your process, then continue. After that, configure the meeting details. Enter the internal meeting name so the page is identifiable inside your account. Choose the organizer, then add the event title that contacts will see when they book. Set the location, write the description, and complete any other meeting details shown on the page. These fields define what the meeting is called, where it will happen, and what attendees should expect. Now open the Scheduling tab to set your availability. Here you can adjust the scheduling title, choose the meeting duration, and confirm the time zone. Then set the availability window so bookings only happen during the dates and times you want to offer. Review the booking settings as well, since those options control how far in advance someone can schedule and any limits tied to availability. Make sure the time zone and time windows reflect the schedule you actually want contacts to see. When that is done, go to the Form tab. This is where you choose what information attendees need to provide before they can book the meeting. Select the fields you want included in the booking form based on the details you need from each contact. Keep this aligned with the information your team uses when preparing for meetings. Next, open the Automation tab. Here you can customize what happens before and after the booking is made. Set confirmation emails, reminders, follow-up emails, or any other available automation options that fit your process. This helps shape the attendee experience around a scheduled meeting and keeps communication consistent. Once the page settings are in place, click Save to apply everything you configured. Saving stores the scheduling page so it is ready to use. Finally, copy your scheduling page link and share it with your contacts. When they open the link, they will be able to book meetings based on the availability and settings you set up in HubSpot. Your HubSpot meeting scheduling page is now saved and ready to share with contacts.